calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me. Slamming my head into walls so I can just keep chasing. I feel intimacy every night. Don't really like, just need to be needed. Hopefully I'll get better in time, 'cause damn, this hurts in the morning. Where the am I and who are you? 'Cause I got lost on my way to you. Yeah, I got lost, so I'm gonna need you too. 'Cause I got lost on my way to you. 'Cause I got lost, so I'm gonna need you too. Calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me. Calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me. I got royalty inside my DNA. Quarter piece got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though ambition, flow inside my DNA. I was born like this, is born like this, immaculate conception. I transform like this, perform like this. Was you a new weapon? I don't contemplate, I meditate. Then off your head. This that put the kids to bed. This that I got. Win again, then win again, like Wimbledon I serve. Yeah, that's him again. The sound that engine in is like a bird. You see fireworks and Corvette tires skirt the boulevard. I know how you work, I know just who you are. See, use it. Your hormones probably switch inside your DNA. Problem is, all that sucker shit inside your DNA. The reason my power's here on earth, salute the truth and the prophecy. I got loyalty, got royalty inside
This is
my
why
DNA.
I say that hip-hop has done more damage to young African Americans than racism in recent years.
This is my heritage, all I'm inheriting. Money and power, the mecca emeritus. Tell me something, you motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I'd rather die than to listen to you. My DNA not for imitation, your DNA an abomination. This how I this where you in the matrix, dodging bullets, reaping what you're sowing, stacking up the footage, living on the go and sleeping in the.
Wow! Kan nou lihat emak ya emak. Wow.